my trap house counting guala, talking to my scale. My jewelry box having more water than Wisconsin Dells.
Give me my theme music.
All right, y'all. What's up, Canes fan? We back in this motherfucking building. Yeah, I said we back in this motherfucking building on YouTube. Yep, I said that shit. Okay, y'all. So look. So I didn't get to watch any of the games last night, Friday night. Oh, not Friday night. What today is? Today is Friday. Dude. I didn't get to watch none of the games Thursday night. But I talked to T2Y, OG Kane, and May. And the Penn State game against Purdue was very close. Shout out to Manny Diaz, or Diaz Manny, or whatever you want to call him. He shouldn't be coaching. But, yes, I know I say I vape, but, you know, sometimes you got to hit the poke there. You know, not the poke, but, you know, camel crushes every now and then. But, so I seen Penn State struggling defense-wise, 400-something yards, I guess, total collectively. Another Manny Diaz effect, as usual. But anyway, this is not about him. This is about our fucking team. Every weekend of college season, it feels like a holiday weekend for us. Matter of fact, it's Labor Day weekend at the same time. Ain't that kind of coincidental? But every weekend to me, I don't know about y'all, Canes fan, but to me, it's like a fucking holiday. It's like a Christmas present to watch our team play, whether we win or lose. Whether we win or lose, it's like a fucking holiday, and everybody's watching us. Everybody's watching us. Don't think the haters ain't watching us, cause y'all know they watching us. Don't think Florida State fans ain't watching us, cause they watching us. Don't think nobody else. Y'all know everybody watching us. They love to hate us. We could be dirt dog shit, and they gonna watch us. I'm just so excited just to see our team play. So we got a lot to come. We got a lot to goddamn do. We got a game tomorrow. Y'all tune in, ACC Network, 3:30. Also, y'all make sure y'all keep tuning in to T2Y's YouTube channel. Y'all keep on checking in on the lives. Y'all keep coming into the live, showing love. You know, however you show love, you can just hit the like button, subscribe, share. Y'all do that. So what I'm saying here today is the wake up day. Is the, you know, let's get it. We ready. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get any Kane fan, and y'all go ahead and start talking that shit. You know what I'm saying? Just get ready for tomorrow. Cause this shit's gonna be lit. This season's gonna be fucking lit. All season. No matter what it is. All season. But I'm excited to see what's gonna play out. I seen that we had a couple of injuries or whatnot with Chaney. You know, some more people or whatnot. But you know, hey, it's all about recruiting, right? It's all about recruiting the best replacement. So let's see how tomorrow plays out, man. We gonna sit here like I got my cane juice. I'm gonna go to the liquor store. I'm gonna go get my cane juice ready for tomorrow, and you know, I'm ready. I'm just ready. I'm turned up. If y'all ready, let me know. Post it in the comments. I will be dropping another video tomorrow. I'm trying to work on my laptop, get my laptop back. Excuse me, y'all. But yeah. So y'all keep on. Y'all keep on. Y'all get up. Get y'all ass up. It's our weekend. I don't give a fuck about no Alabama. I don't give a fuck about no Georgia, even though they're gonna talk about it all day long. It's our weekend. It's our weekend every fucking weekend. Fuck everybody else. It's our weekend every weekend. So y'all stay lit. Love my Hurricane fam. Appreciate y'all. Y'all share, like. Yo, let's turn this shit up. Light your fucking Facebook feed up, your fucking Snap up, your fucking Instagram up, whatever you got. Bingo, Bebo, whatever the hell you got. Flood everybody's shit with your motherfucking mind. Flood your shit with Hurricane shit. So they know it's our weekend. Y'all make sure y'all know it's our weekend. Remember what I would say, man? It's always great to be a Miami Hurricane through any weather, through any storm. Hit stick, butt stick. And I'm out.